Hey everyone, exciting news. YouTube is finally rolling out thumbnail A/B testing, or as they call it, thumbnail test and compare. Starting today, June 3rd, about 50% of creators will have access to the feature and the rest is going to have access in the coming weeks. So what is thumbnail test and compare? To put it simply, it's a feature that lets you upload up to 3 different thumbnails for your videos to see which one performs best with your audience. This is often called A/B testing, but because there is a C option, YouTube opted for the name test and compare. How does the test and compare work? Once you have access to the feature, you see the option test and compare at places where you can choose your thumbnail. That could be during uploads or with already uploaded videos in the details tab. So you have to go to content, select a video, and then you have the option to change the thumbnail and run a test. YouTube will show the chosen thumbnails evenly across your video's viewers, and after some time they will give you a winner, which is based on the thumbnail that generated the most watch time share. Why watch time share? YouTube optimizes overall watch time share to ensure the thumbnail and content get the right viewer satisfaction and viewer engagement. A high click-through rate only would mean like incentivizing clickbait, and that wouldn't lead to much satisfied viewers and therefore hinder growth on your channel. It might take a few days or even up to 2 weeks to get finalized test results, especially if you're a smaller creator. So the impressions and views need to rack up before YouTube can give you a final result. And sometimes you might not even get a clear winner result, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. You'll see a running status if a test is still in progress. Make sure your thumbnails have significant differences. That means test different layouts, backgrounds, text overlays. And if you're still not getting a winner, this might be due to low impressions, so the thumbnail isn't getting shown as much around, or maybe the thumbnails are equally good. So that can also be a possibility. Once a test is complete, you'll get a report with the results. If a thumbnail clearly outperforms others, it will be labeled as a winner, and YouTube will automatically update your video to use only that thumbnail. If there's no clear winner, the first thumbnail will be shown to your audience. Remember, you always have control. Even if there's a preferred or no clear winner, you can manually set the thumbnails you want to use. Who can use thumbnail test and compare? So to use thumbnail test and compare, you need to have advanced features enabled on your channel. Whether or not you have that, you can check in your channel settings under feature eligibility. Also, I've linked to you the help article on how to get advanced features down in the video description. Test and compare is only available currently on YouTube Desktop Studio, but YouTube is exploring ways to support it on mobile devices in the future. Also, you can only test thumbnails on public long-form videos, live stream archives, or podcast episodes. It is not available for videos that are made for kids, made for mature audiences, or private videos. So that's all for now from my perspective. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about the thumbnail test and compare feature and see how it helps your channel grow. Let us know in the comments if you have already access or if you've seen improvements through testing. That would be splendid, and we'll see us in the next video. Take care. Bye.